Jules asking, what's a unique product that sells that you didn't think would? Good question. Any interesting product?
The one product that made me the most money that I had no faith on was the fidget spinners.
Oh, the fidget spinners.
The fidget spinners, when they came out, everybody was playing with them. But a friend of mine came with the wonderful idea that he had this flatbed printer, and he got a bunch of spinners and removed the little tops, the little things where you will, the little caps, or whatever they called.
Yeah.
And he put them in a bed and he printed on them different things. So when we got them, we were like, print on demand spinners. They sold like crazy because people were buying them for party favors with the name of the kid, with the name of the the anniversaries and stuff like that. And we were doing it custom made, and people were buying them in bulk. And I was like, wow, we never thought about that one. That one was a major hit. To be honest, I didn't think the masks were going to be that great, and they have been amazing. And the beautiful thing about the masks is that people say, well, the whole pandemic is about to be over. We're going back to normal. Well, the same thing happened with China, right? With the avian flu about 2-3 years ago. They started wearing the masks, and now they are common pop culture. They wear them now every day. And I believe that that's going to happen here in the United States as well. The fear that this thing has generated, and in the world as it is, I think a lot of people are going to be, wearing these masks for the foreseeable future. And the bad thing about the masks is, I don't know if you have worn any lately, is that when you put them on and you start breathing on them, they get wet.
Oh, yeah.
And
damp, yeah.
And after a while, they start smelling really bad. So people are buying multiples because of that same purpose.
Yeah, so you can put it in the laundry and then use another one.
And even for the same trip, people are buying. These are the crappy ones that they were giving away on Painful. So they are used. They get wet. They get smelly. And if you're paranoid of germs, you're like, I don't want to wear. If I went outside and I came back home, you don't want to use it again. You want to wash it, and then you want to have another one ready, because you already went to the shopping center, and now you breathe what everybody's breathing. And as soon as you get in your car, it's like, okay, I need to change it. So people are going to be, that they want to have 4 or 5 available at any single time. So seeing, bags, shopping carts with 2, 3, 5, 6, 12 has been something that I haven't seen in shirts. People are buying multiples. And that is something that it's. I mean, this is going to be a business for the long term. No, it's going to be something like, in 1 month everybody's going to forget. No, I don't think so. It's going to be for something that is going to be like, probably for the summer, people are going to slow down. But once the cold and the flu season begins again, people are going to get all like mask. They don't want to get sick. They don't want to get stuff, because it's human behavior, right? Great paranoia, and we overreact, and so we're going to be using them. So it's money to be made on those. And you can see that every single day a new print demand company is like, we can mask now. And some of them are extremely ugly. I mean, some of them look like, like used baby diapers. They're so bulky and ugly. Or this one that look like I cut a piece of my, my mom's underwear and put it on my face. They're so bad.
It looks like a piece of underwear, yeah. But that's why, people go to that makes perfect sense, though, because people go to Etsy to have one-of-a-kind things, right? Really custom-made things, products, pieces of artwork. So it's interesting that so many people are asking if it's a good time, thinking it's not, when it's actually, there's a really big opportunity here.
It is the best time to start a business right now.